To show today's schedule from calendar on the always on display in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap always on display. Tap clock style. In the clock style section, tap the clock thumbnail with 3-dot icon to see more clock style. And then select the clock thumbnail with today's schedule in it. Next, tap done button to save the change. Now your phone will display today's schedule from calendar on your always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.